Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the overall crypto market, take a look at some of the meme coins, and I do want to talk about Crow coin because a lot is happening in the markets, guys. As of today, inflation is lower than expected, so we're having a little bit of a rebound. However, do note, we are still below my key level of 28,200, just by about $91, but I will say that there's still time to invalidate this move to the downside if we continue to move to the upside. But obviously, the overall market is pretty happy about inflation being lower than expected. Just minimally lower, but it is lower than expected. Let's take a look over at Pepe a little bit because right now Pepe is looking a little bit worried, guys. I will say that I think the hype is starting to move towards some of the other meme coins right now, which is it's okay. I'm okay with that. But I will say that I do think that Pepe could have another move to the upside, leading into the bull run. I think that Pepe will probably stick around. However, I'm not a meme coin expert, but I will say based on previous cycles, this is usually a good sign that eyes are going to be starting to turn more to the crypto space when there's lots of big moves happening, and a lot of people are talking about it, especially usually starts with the meme coins, and then usually this liquidity will find its way moving back into Bitcoin and or Ethereum. I mean, as of right now, Bitcoin dominance above 47%. I like to see that. Would like to see a move higher to the 48 to 50% mark leading into the Bitcoin halving, which we have about 11-12 months away. Every day that goes by, we get closer and closer, guys. Every day that goes by. So let's take a look at Crowcoin because right now we are moving to the downside below this 0.0689 cent level. Very, very key price level in my opinion. I mean, we've been trading on it for we've been literally trading on it for months now, guys. It's been pretty incredible. But I do have to say, I think that if we don't come down to the 6 cents even, then we're going to be all right. I think that that's our next price level here is about the 6 cents on Crowcoin. I don't necessarily think we're going to reach the 5.5 cents unless we have a big capitulation event, which is possible. I'm not ruling that out. Just because we had a little bit of a rebound today on Bitcoin does not necessarily mean that we're out of the woods, my friends. I do believe that, as you can see, we had this big wick. We broke back up almost like it was a fake out to the downside, and we got faked out to the upside because I really do believe that if we keep getting these daily candle closes below this key level of 28,200, unfortunately, I do think we're going to be moving to the downside to $25,000 Bitcoin. And quite frankly, that's not really a big deal, guys. I mean, we have plenty of time. I'm still in the camp of saying that this is the year of accumulation between 19,500 and low 40,000s leading into the Bitcoin halving. I am prepared for moves to go below 20,000. I don't necessarily think that there's a high likelihood of that happening. However, there's still probability of that happening. There's still a chance. There's still a chance. But I will say that all in all, between 19,500 and 40,000, great accumulation zone. Leading into the Bitcoin halving, great accumulation zone. I mean, you guys need to be patting yourselves on the back if you've been accumulating throughout this entire bear market. It's been absolutely brutal. We had over a year of downward action, and now we're just trading sideways, chopping around, guys. Trading sideways and chopping around. I mean, we bombed out at 15,500, had a few months to the upside, but as of right now, I am prepared for 6 months of sideways action. I am really leaning towards that of, not very large price moves. And guys, that's okay because this is the year of accumulation. I'm going to keep calling it that because that's how I see it based on past events, guys, past cycles. Kind of like through here when we were in 2018, 2019. This sideways action, we had about 6 months to the upside and then 6 months to the side, and kind of relatively to the downside leading into the Bitcoin halving. And I am prepared for that. I am prepared for a sideways slide to the downside from, say, 32,000 to maybe even 19,000, 19,500 leading into the Bitcoin halving. I am prepared for that. And then we will start to move up as the Bitcoin halving hype starts to show itself in the articles in the media. But in the S&P 500 right now, we are trading to the upside. I mean, it's kind of been pretty not really that crazy. We had some big wicks on the news of the inflation being lower than expected. However, we are still basically pinned. They were just wicks. And, I still think we're really consolidating here, guys. This is pretty incredible, actually. And the S&P 500, I really thought that we were going to be probably spilling over, but time will tell. Time will tell. Very, very curious on the S&P 500 because if we look here on the daily, right now we are just trading sideways. That's incredible. Would like to see if we can get to this price level of about the $4,200 and break above that. It is a nice W pattern. We could probably make a test at the $4,300 if we break above the $4,200. So that's a nice key level to be looking at for the S&P 500. If we want to see the S&P 500 move to the upside, because it will bring Bitcoin up with it. It's something we really need to be paying attention to. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. We're going to be continuing to keep you guys updated on what's going on, give you market updates every day, keep you in the know with the news of the macroeconomics of the world and how it will affect your cryptocurrency positions. It really helps us out a lot if you like this video and subscribe. Also, go down below this channel. Consider becoming a member on the channel. Click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. It's a lot of fun. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a member at winning this loaded line NFT that we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers, guys. There's also